7.2 take away 5.05, so let's line them up with the decimal point in line. So 7.2, 5.05. Where I see a gap, put a 0. And subtract. So nothing take away 5 you can't do. So I borrow from the 2 becomes a 1, the 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 1 take away nothing is 1. Decimal point in line, 7 take away 5 is 2. That's your answer. So multiply in, forget the decimal point initially, so that's 1 times 2 is 2. I got one number after the point there, and 1 after there, so that's 2 numbers after the point, so there's a decimal point, come back to 1, 2, where I see a space I put a note. So that's 0.02. Fractions, right, so we need to scale up the smaller to make the bigger, so the 3 needs to go up to a 9, and to make 3 to 9 I times by 3, so I must do the same to the top line. Need to times by 3 for that one, so it'll be 7/9 take away, right, 3 3s are 9 on the bottom, and 3 times 1 is 3 on the top. So the answer will be over 9, and then 7 take away 3 is 4. Right, 24 as a percentage, that means out of 100, out of 100. So I'm taking 24 at the moment out of 400, and I want to make it out of 100. What do I do to the 400 to make 100? I divide by 4, and whatever I do to the bottom I need to do to the top, so I need to divide that by 4 as well. So 24 shared by 4 is 6, so that's 6 out of 100, which is exactly what a percentage means, so that is 6%. Okay, in the sale the price of a tumble dryer is reduced by 45%. The original price is 440, find the sale price. Okay, let's find what the reduction is first of all. So I need to find 45% of 440. So 45 is a combination of 10% and 5%. So 45% would be 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, and 5%. So 10%, to find 10%, I'm sharing by 10. To share a number by 10, if it ends in 0, I can take a 0 off. So 10% of 440 is 44. 44, 44, 44. And if 10% is 44, 5% will be half of that, because 5% is half of 10%. So 5% will be 22. So add these up. 4 and 4 is 8, and 4 is 12, and 4 is 16, and 2 is 18. 8 don't carry 1. And 4 and 4 is 8, and 4 is 12, and 4 is 16, 17, 18, that's 19. That's £198. That's how much the reduction is. So the sale price is reduced by £198, so I need to do 440, take away 198. Nothing take away 8, can't do it, so borrow from the 4, 4 becomes a 3, and 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2, 3 take away 9 can't do, so borrow from the 4, 4 becomes a 3, and 3 becomes 13. 13 take away 9 is 4, 3 take away 1 is 2. So the sale price is £242. Got some equations to work out. Okay, let's read it to the equals. 4x take away 5 equals. So the opposite of take away 5 on the left hand side will be add 5 on the right hand side. 27 and 5 is 32. Times in by 4, opposite of times by 4 is divided by 4, and 32 shared by 4 is 8. I have a bracket, so your first job is to expand the bracket. So multiply each value inside the bracket by the number outside. 4 lots of 2x is 8x, add 4 lots of 3 is 12 equals 24. 8x add 12 equals, add 12 was the last thing I read, opposite of adding 12 on the left hand side is take away 12 on the right hand side. So 8x is equal to 24 take away 12 is 12, times in by 8, opposite times by 8 is divided by 8, 12 shared by 8, and it doesn't go in exactly. Okay, it goes in once, and 4 left over, so that will be 1 4/8. And 4/8, because 4 is half of 8, that's 1 1/2. We've got x's on both sides, so let's collect the x's to the left hand side. Remember that the sign is for the term immediately after it, so that minus is for the minus 4x. There's no sign in front of the 29, so there's really a plus there. And that minus is for the 7, so I'm taking away 7 there. So let's start with the x's. 5x, keep there. So I'm taking away 4x on the right hand side. Bring it over, opposite of take away 4x is plus 4x. 29 stays where it is. Take away 7 on the left hand side, add 7 on the right hand side. 5x add 4x makes 9x. 29 and 7 is 36. So I got 9 times x, opposite of times in by 9 is divided by 9, and 36 shared by 9 is 4. 4 9s make 36. Okay, D, reading it, 5x shared by 2 take away 1 equals. So the last thing I read was take away 1. So take away 1 on the left hand side is the same as adding 1 on the right hand side. So 5x shared by 2 equals 25. So again, reading this, 5x shared by 2. So the last thing I read was share by 2. Opposite of sharing by 2 is times in by 2. So 5x is equal to 2 25s are 50. And then times in by 5, opposite of times by 5, sharing by 5, and 5 goes into 50 10 times. Okay, got two calculations here. 40% of 1/6 of 180. So we'll work out that part first. 1/6 of 180. To do a 6 of 180. 1/6 means to share by 6. Okay, so a 6 into 180. 6 into 1 won't go. 6 into 18 was 3 times. 6 into nothing was nothing. So that part has an answer of 30. So now I'm finding 40% of 30. Well, 40% is 4 lots of 10%. So 10% of 30 is 3. So 40% is 4 lots of the 10% there. So 4 lots of 3 make 12.